Oh, you're the photographer. Nice to meet you. Dennis is inside. I am Jerry. I know, from 12,000, how many? 14,000? You must know a lot of people, or maybe you...
He has 50,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. So he has been so good at spreading the word. You know?
Go, you're gonna...
Yes, sir.
So Junfel, you really took an amazing photo. Like an amazing photo.
Tell us about how you took it.
And yeah, were you using a phone for this photo or DSLR or tell me a little bit.
I'm using Nikon D5300.
Ah, okay. That's pro equipment, you know.
I'm using tripod.
And you were using a tripod.
Okay, thank you very much indeed, Jun. Here you go.
Thank you, Jun. This is 5,000 peso.
Watch more videos at Junfel Gilig YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell for more updates.
Boss Rex. We're tourists.
Oh, you're the photographer. Nice to meet you. Dennis is inside. I am Jerry. And who is this?
My cousin.
He's my cousin. So you're free. And what about him? He has to make a donation, and he has to make a donation. But you register here. But you're here nice and early. Thank you very much for coming. I don't recognise you. You've got a mask. These are the guys who won. This is.
I'm Jerry.
Yeah, they make a donation. They get that.
Kuya. Magpuan sa din sila. Kuan. Paddlers di ko.
Paddler free.
Job.
Asa mo, boss? Masura, boss?
Isa ikaw na niya, sir, YouTube.
Junfel Gilig.
Junfel Gilig. I'll follow you. Guess down, miss.
Karon guys, kukuha kami ng mga basura. Di ba? Marami akong mga, di ba? Marami tayong mga kaibigan ng basura, di ba?
Lalo na ako, binasura niya.
Binasura niya. Nang doon.
And you were allowed to go. Excellent. That's great. They did let you in for free, right? Did you stick them? Because maybe I have been too busy to notice.
It's not 10 o'clock. What time is it? Midday, isn't it? Midday? Midday.
Let's see if there's a special changes.
I know, from 12,000, how many? 14,000? You must know a lot of people, or maybe you...
He has 50,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel. So he has been so good at spreading the word, you know.
We are going to go onto YouTube sometime in the new year, but we've got a guy over there who's got his drone. He's going to be flying around, watching the race, etc. So once that will all, and then we'll start putting YouTube stuff on, because we got in January, maybe late February, we're going to take some ghost boats out of here, lift them out of the harbour, and then we've got a lot of other things we're going to be doing. Venture capital, starting something like if you come up with a good idea how to recycle and you live within the MARIBAGO area, we'll donate 50,000 to help your company, and then maybe 100,000 if you grow, and then maybe 1 million if you get bigger. Yeah? So then we're going to help people do that. That's the whole thing. Yeah? So be careful where you go. You're going to... Yes, sir.
Yo, what's up mga boss, and welcome ulit sa napakabagong video. And by the way, it's your boy, this boss, Junfel Films. For today's video, dito po kami sa MARIBAGO Beach. So, meron pong event dito, MARIBAGO Cup. Ito malaki yung Protect Maribago Bay. So syempre, di lang ako nag-iisa dito. Shoutout nga pala sa aking cameraman, si Boss Ricky. Syempre, meron pa akong isang guest. Siya ay galing sa ABS-CBN. Si Boss John Lloyd. Ano bre? So ayan, nakakasama ko si Lloyd YM. So ayan, kasama ko anong pangalan mo pre?
Lloyd Taghoy.
Gusto ko. Taghoy.
Anong pangalan mo?
Lloyd Taghoy.
Usma.
Lloyd!
Okay. So ayan mga boss, ang gagawin namin ngayon mga boss ay kukuha po kami ng anong gagawin natin ngayon? Mamumulot po kami ng mga basura kasi ipatimbang na mo kay gusto na kayo may kwartal New Year Pasko na wait.
Katulad ng ginawa niya sa'yo, binasura ka lang.
Sige na. So ayan, ang gagawin namin ngayon mga boss ay kukuha po kami ng mga basura dito sa kahit wala naman kami makikita, i-try namin, i-check namin mga boss. Okay. So bago po natin sisimulan, sa mga boss ko dyan na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Junfel, Gilig. Pakiclick ang subscribe. Don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Junfel, Gilig. Pakiclick ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi po kayong update sa mga bago kong video. Okay mga boss, start na natin mga boss. Kukuha na po tayo ng mga basura. Go! Pati gachi. Hindi matangkang.
Hindi, bro.
Nung tulo. Muna yung dan, mga kakuan ba? Malus na.
Ox. Dagang ox.
Idol na gold. Ina.
Grabe, basurahan mo bile. Dagat yung nagikot-kot squad. Kasko.
Nakakaroon si Konsihal Arvin, konsihal dito sa Barangay Maribago. So, Kons, ang kanidring ako kay bilong man dyan sa inyong barangay, unsa may maayo, kayuhan gid ang Protect Maribago Bay sa atong kadagatan.
May buntag tanan no. Ang ato ang barangay sa Maribago, natay regular nga mga coastal cleanup nga gihimo. Dili lang diri dapita, naata diri sa ato ang public beach o diri pud sa Pikas. Kay ang tumong og tuyo nato nga ang Maribago man gud is kaning resort area, tourism area siya. Nga ang tumong tuyo nato nga limpyo gid siya. Kay kasagaran mga tao naara ba pod nangaligo. Nya kaning Maribago Protect Bay, so, pasalamat sa kanilang itong karon nga mga coastal clean up o uban pa nga activities. So I hope lang mapadayon kanang regular po nung nilang himuon.
Kons, salamat kay tanan Kons.
Salamat po.
Hi, good morning. JB Arong sa Barangay Agos, Barangay Councilor. At the same time, Simas Diving Instructor. So, kani nga programa sa Protect Maribago Bay, nindot nga programa, diin ato utanin panag-ignan sa tibuok natong barangay, labi na under sa coastal, no? Nga ato makita nga dili lang sa mamata manglimpyo, lakip na sa atong kadagatan since we are historic city, Lapu-Lapu. Okay? So, salamat sa nag-ugma ng mga programa, Protect Maribago Bay. Thank you.
So ayan mga boss, kumusta mga boss? Kumusta na? Hindi pa ba kayo nagugutom?
Gutom na kayo, boss.
Ha?
Gutom.
Paano yung example ng gutom? Paano? Ikaw, kumusta?
Okay na.
Ano? Ano?
Diet.
Pakitaan nyo ko ng sample kung paano magutom. Paano magutom? Kaya Boss Ricky, paano magutom Boss Ricky? So ayan mga boss, naghihintay pa kami ng pagkain namin mga boss kasi niluto pa nila. So ayan, umulan dito. mga boss, ayan, makita natin sa likod. Ayan yung dagat, so medyo madilim na siya kasi anong oras na ngayon? Size. Alas 5:36 na siya, mag-alas 6 na po siya, kaya madilim na. So ayan, chill muna kami dito, kakatapos lang kumain. So ayan, kakain lang muna kami ng mga prutas. Ito pinya at saka pakwan, watermelon.
Para sa mga taong iniwan.
So anong masasabi mo sa pakwan?
Kumain kayo ng pakwan para sa taong iniwan.
Tapos yung pinya?
Pinya para sa mga taong
Paasa.
ayun.
Pinya para sa mga taong paasa. So, kamustahin natin si, ano pangalan niya? Si John Lloyd. Kamustahin natin yung lagay mo dyan. Nagkumbitay.
Igos tagay.
So ayun mga boss, napaka-chill dito mga boss. Medyo maulan siya. Ayan. Pero napaka-chill, meron siyang banda doon. At napakaganda ng mga pinapatugtog nila.
He has won 5,000 pesos, and if this gentleman, I would love to be able to pronounce his name properly, but if he'll come up to the stage, I will be handing it over to him.
Ano masasabi mo na nanalo ka dito?
Hindi ko na alam, hindi pa in-announce ko
It's an amazing photo.
Photo contest. Ha?
Junfel, can you hear me? Because you won the photo competition.
Hi, can we have a photographer here to take a picture of Junfel receiving his 5,000 pesos? Thank you, June. Do you like to come inside? Here you go.
Come here, come on. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. So Junfel, you really took an amazing photo. Like an amazing photo.
Tell us about how you took it.
And yeah, were you using a phone for this photo, or DSLR, or tell me a little bit.
I'm using Nikon D5300.
Ah, okay. That's pro equipment, you know. Excellent. And you, what hour during the day? Because I see some sunset or sunrise. What was that?
During morning,
What time?
I think 5 a.m.
You were up early to catch the right light. Excellent.
I'm using tripod.
And you were using a tripod.
Long exposure photography.
I can tell. And how many shots did you make from where you chose your favorite?
30 pictures.
30. Wow.
30 pictures. Yeah, you know, if you were filming an old-fashioned analog film, then it would be quite costly, you know. Excellent. It's a beautiful photo, and I do understand why it got so many votes. But I also do understand that you have a big bunch of friends, so it helps a lot to get the votes.
Supporting friends.
Yep. Excellent.
Okay, thank you very much indeed, June. Here you go.
Thank you, June.
Thank you.
This is 5,000 peso.
Thank you very much indeed.
Make some private, but I am not sure that Promexon is here now.
So ayun mga boss, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa aking entry dun sa MARIBAGO, dun sa Protect Maribago Bay Photo Competition, Photography Contest. So hindi ko in-expect na ako yung pinaka first mga boss. So ayan, naka-receive po ako ng cash, so worth of 5,000. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga boss ko dyan na sumuporta sa aking entry. Hindi ko kayo maisa-isa mga boss kasi napakarami yung sumuporta sa aking entry mga boss. So maraming salamat talaga sa lahat. So alam nyo na kung sino ay mga boss at na-PM ko kayo. Lalo na sa grupo kong J Pro. So maraming salamat sa lahat na mga boss, sa mga tumulong sa akin. Syempre mga boss, nagpapasalamat rin ako sa Protect Maribago Bay at sa lahat ng mga staff dyan. At yes mga boss, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na to mga boss. At sa mga boss ko dyan na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to visit my YouTube channel, Junfel Gilig. Pag-click ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bago kong video. Okay mga boss, hanggang dito na lang at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. And see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye!
Watch more videos at Junfel Hilig YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell for more updates. Mga boss, thank you for watching.